Welcome to our YouTube channel. Spoken English is essential in these days. Everybody is trying to learn communicative skill and speaking skill. Actually, learning and speaking both are skills. Basically, how the man learn speaking skill. For example, I tell you, when the small children, they are learning the language. Small children means infants. If the child is getting birth in Punjabi family, he speaks Punjabi. If the child is getting birth in Kannada family, he is speaking Kannada. Now the question is how they are able to speak and how they are able to communicate with the parents as well as their friends and the other people. Nobody has taught them grammar. They did not learn how to use grammar, but still, even from the beginning, they are able to speak all the languages. So it is because of the environment, and it is because of the imitation, and it is because of the practice every day, what they are doing, how they are using their communicative skill, and how they are interacting with their parents, neighbors as well as their friends, whatever they have. अब आप समझ रहे होंगे, अंग्रेजी सीखना है तो जब अंग्रेजी में बोल के हम कैसे समझेंगे। मैं आपको हिंदी में एक बात समझा देता हूँ। एक बच्चा जो पंजाबी फैमिली में पैदा होता है वो पंजाबी बोलना सीख जाता है। एक बच्चा जो कन्नड़ा फैमिली में जन्म होता है उसका, वो कन्नड़ बोलना सीख जाता है। उनको किसने ग्रामर सिखाया? यहाँ ग्रामर की बात नहीं होती है, यहाँ एक परिसर जहाँ बच्चा वहाँ के लोगों के साथ बोलना सीख जाता है, बड़े लोगों का अनुकरण करता है जिसको इमिटेशन कहते हैं, और उसी बात को रोज वो अभ्यास करता रहता है और प्रैक्टिस करता रहता है। तो इसलिए किसी भी लैंग्वेज को समझने के लिए और किसी भी लैंग्वेज को बोलने के लिए, किसी भी भाषा को बोलने के लिए एनवायरनमेंट यानी परिसर और किसी का इमिटेशन करना, अनुकरण करना और उसी बात को बार बार अभ्यास करना, इससे हम आसानी से किसी भी भाषा के ऊपर अपनी काबिलियत हासिल कर सकते हैं। When we talk about some people who are very fluent in English, let us talk about the beggars in the beaches like Goa, Murdeshwar, as well as some places like Kolkata, where the foreign people are coming and they are using the foreign languages. And the children able to fluently talk with those people. Actually, they are beggars, but still they are able to speak and they have the good command over the language and efficiency. Even they are unable to write A, B and C, and they are unable to even read A, B, C, but still they are uneducated, they are beggars, still they are able to speak English language. How it is possible? It is possible because it has become inevitable for those people, unless and until they communicate in English, they converse in English. The people who have come from outside, foreigners, they are unable to understand the languages of these people. Actually, their work is begging, but still they are using the English language. So it is only because of the environment where they are living, with whom they are interacting. Without the English language, which has become inevitable for those people, because of the imitation, because of the practice, they have been perfect in those languages with whom they are interacting, with whom they are speaking every day. So in this way, learning grammar is a different thing. Spoken English is different and the written English is different. In written English and any other language which are in written, we need accuracy in those languages. We need accuracy in those languages when we are writing, because it is in black and white. But when we are speaking, spoken language is different. and it is only to communicate with the people, only to converse with the people, have the communication with the people for our business, for our trade, for our interaction. So we have to learn the spoken English only to have interaction with other people and to converse with other people and have communication with the people. So it is very clear that many people are trying to learn spoken English. They are using number of books, they are using number of tips, but along with that some other means are there to learn English. I suggest you that it is better to read the newspapers every day. It is better to read number of books. You can get the knowledge of vocabulary. Newspapers also help you. Listening the news through radio, that is also helpful for you. And again, the news is telecasted on the television. You can watch and you can listen to that also. So when you are cultivating the habit of listening more and reading as well as speaking more, you will be able to have command over any language. Particularly we are talking about the English language, where the environment is very essential. Along with our practices, along with our efforts, there must be a proper environment where we can learn the imitation of the other people who are speaking the language, and the same thing we can practice. Because of this environment where it is suitable for the spoken language like English, by imitating the parents, by imitating our elders, by imitating the people who are fluent in English, we can learn the number of words, the number of vocabulary, as well as number of structures which are known as the sentences. For example, close the window, close the door, open the door. Like this, we have to learn the structures which are the small sentences. In this way, if we go on practicing, we will be able to easily speak the English language. Not only English language, any language you can have the domination over any language. So when we talk about the writing skill, that time we need exact grammar and we need accuracy. So if we are living in a proper environment, if it is inevitable for us, there is no other language to learn, there is no other language to communicate with the people, automatically the man will learn the language which is prevailing in that particular place. It may be any language. So language is a skill. We can imitate the other people, we can imitate the teachers, we can imitate the parents, we can imitate our friends who are fluent in English. So day by day you can make the improvement by imitating the people, by practicing the same thing again and again. It will help us to learn proper English, and after that we can go for the accuracy in written language. So this is how the environment, imitation and practice can help us to learn spoken English. It is essential because English is international language, it is vocational language. It can help us to get the good opportunities in the colleges. It can help us to get the good opportunities in the jobs. It may be the private firm, it may be the other business opportunity, where without communication skill we are nothing. So along with this communicative skill, the spoken English, we have to get the good command over listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill, as well as the writing skill, which can help us a lot in our life, which can improve our personality and which can provide us a good opportunity. So this is what environment, imitation and practices can help us a lot in learning English. So you cultivate this habit, one day you will become fluent in English. Thank you for listening.